So, making this video as an update for you guys. AT&T installed a new tower near my home. They sent me a text with this picture about this new tower. I looked it up, and where they installed it, I happen to know because I saw a tower getting gear put on it about 2 months ago, and I thought it was crazy because of the fact that I didn't think it was going to be AT&T. I thought maybe Dish or somebody, but it was AT&T. I think it was an old Sprint tower that, you know, had T-Mobile take the Sprint gear down after the acquisition or whatever. So we're going to see how it performs. 14 Pro on Unlimited Starter, SE 2022 on Value Plus. We'll start with the 14 Pro. And before you guys say in the comments, yes, my iPhone 14 Pro language is set to Spanish because as I'm trying to learn Spanish, I put the phone language in Spanish so I can learn it easier. So the 14 Pro got a 54 ping with 14 jitter, 46.1 down, and not doing too good on the upload. I made a video earlier, but my Galaxy A53 was like messing up with the camera, so because it was getting like good upload speeds, like 20. Here, I'll show you the results. See, we got 15.6 on one, but the other speed test we did, you know, gave us something similar. And that was when I was testing both at the same time. But like I said, that video, the camera was shaking, so will I post that video? I don't know. Probably around with this one instead, because the iPhone camera is just acting better than the Galaxy. So the iPhone SE 2022 got 14.3, 9.14 in the up with an 80 ping and 27 jitter. So, I mean, it is an improvement. And you seen when I first got the 14 Pro, I compared it to the SE, and I was getting great speeds, but that was at the middle of the night. You know, this is almost going on 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a Saturday, so I'm glad they upgraded it. It looks like it has n77 gear, so I hope they decide soon that they want to put the n77 gear online so I can connect to it. So we're running both at the same time now, and you can see 14 Pro got a 45 ping and 11 jitter. The SE 2022 got a 192 ping and 178 jitter. So it does help with newer phones, because before, you know, I was only getting maybe 5 or 10 on the download. So we got 22.4 down, 11 up on the 14 Pro. We got 8.11 down and 9.42 on the up on the SE 2022. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.